Connecting your power line to your Linux machine. So this is granting that you have done the connection of your Powerline adapter from your outlet to your computer. That should be the instruction step 1, and make sure that you have Ethernet cable connected to it. Second is the second Powerline adapter has to be connected to an outlet near your router and connect an Ethernet cable to it as shown in the video. Now, at this point, I want to show you how to test your network connectivity. First is you gotta open the terminal, and from the terminal we're gonna check if you have an IP address, and you do this by typing IP space A, and we are interested in looking at the INET value that you have. So you either have 192.168.90.15. This is mine. Yours may be different. Usually it will just change to 192.168.0 or .1, depending on how you configured your router. This is my Ethernet connection, and the one with starting with W is my wireless connectivity, and this is my IP address because I have both Ethernet and wireless connected on my machine. And the next thing you need to do is check your router, if you could see your router. So you ping, for me, 192.168.90.1, and I'm just gonna say do that 4 times just to verify. And as you can see, I have a reply for 4 times I have connectivity. So this usually follows if it's 192.168.90.1, that is my router, because this is my IP address, right? Yours might be, if yours would be 192.168.0.15, your gateway will be most likely 192.168.0.1. Okay. And the next portion is we want to verify if you have DNS configured in your computer. So most settings are found under /etc/resolve.conf. That's resolve because it's going to resolve your IP address, and that's without an E, rsolv.conf. And I'm interested in a name server. And as you can see here, mine is just doing its own because this one is a DNS server as well. So I want to check your value and let me know. All right. Any questions, hit me up. You know where to find me. Thank you.